Did you know cats have unique ways of playing? Cats playing together can be a delightful sight. Their antics are not just entertainment, it's essential for their health. Today, we'll explore the benefits of cat playtime. We'll show you how it enhances their physical and mental well-being. Watch closely as we detail what happens during their playful interactions. First, cats engage in stalking and pouncing. This mimics their natural hunting instincts. It's a way to exercise their muscles and coordination. Next, you'll see them engage in playful wrestling. This builds their strength and agility. They learn important social skills through these interactions. As they chase toys or each other, they're improving their reflexes. This kind of play helps keep their minds sharp. A well-stimulated cat is generally happier and healthier. Imagine two cats swatting at a feather toy. One cat leaps high to catch it. The other surprises it with a pounce from below. This playful chase keeps them fit and engaged. Notice how they alternate between chasing and being chased. This allows both cats to exercise their instincts. Their playful behavior reduces stress and boredom. To summarize, playtime is vital for cats. It aids their physical health and mental stimulation. Watching cats play offers insight into their natural behaviors. Want to improve your cat's playtime? Create a safe space with toys. Encourage their natural instincts by joining in. With a little effort, you can foster a happier, healthier environment for your furry friends.